Hey everyone! So today I am making this yummy carrot soup that you guys will love. You'll need extra virgin olive oil, coconut aminos, and fresh ginger. But if you don't have fresh ginger, ground ginger will do. And you'll also need 1 pound of carrots, chopped and peeled, and garlic clove and water. So I went ahead and chopped and peeled my carrots, and in the large saucepan I added water and I added the carrots, and you're going to boil it for at least half an hour or until all of your carrots are nice and tender and thoroughly cooked. Okay, now after your carrots are cooked, you're going to add them into your blender. You're going to also add the cooking water that you use to boil the carrots. You're going to also add it into the blender. Now add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And also add a tablespoon of the coconut aminos. Add in your grated ginger and garlic. Now blend until smooth. If you need to add more water to not have your soup so thick, you're more than welcome to add some more water.